everyone, welcome to Ady's Learning Zone. In this video, we are going to learn the sounding of CH together. Joining together two letters and pronouncing are called digraphs. In this video, we'll see the consonant digraphs of CH. This CH has three special soundings. First one is ch, which is common, and the second one is k, and third one is sh. Let's see the rules to pronounce ch, k, sh. If the word which has a ch in it is originated in English or German, we use ch. Example, chair, chocolate, chicken. Now the sounding of k, if the word which has a ch, if it is originated in Greek, we use the pronunciation of k. Examples, school, character, chlorine. And the third sounding, sh. If the word is originated in French, we use sh. Let's see the examples. Chef, mission, chiffon. I hope you got it. And basically we have to note one point. For the pronunciation of CH, we doesn't have a particular definition. So that is the reason we use the pronunciation of ch, k and sh by depending on the originality of the word. I hope you got it. And please be wait for the practical sheet to understand more about it. Thank you, and I hope you are liking our videos and the videos are useful to you. Please do not forget to share, subscribe to Ady's Learning Zone. Thank you.